Well, let's bring in Michelle Schneider, Director of Trading Education and Research for MarketGauge. Michelle, we sometimes see these issues and sometimes they don't get resolved as quickly. As you watch that kind of 20 minutes unfold, what was going through your mind when you saw that kind of volatility and all those halts?
Well, we started by, we were looking at Palantir, not for any particular reason other than it opened up down 17%. And we were like, wow, that's huge. And then next thing you know, the next ticker was up another 15% after that. So that's really what was our first view. And then we could see all over the board. So it turned out 84 stocks were involved with this, and because they hit the volatility trigger, they were halted, which is what the stock exchange is set to do. At this point now, of course, it does bring up a little bit of a vulnerability in terms of what you can trust what you're seeing on the screen, but hopefully it is resolved.
And the NYSE does say it is resolved, and we're still kind of waiting for concrete statement on what drove it. Was it fat finger? Was it kind of a computer glitch? But, you know, do you kind of take heart in the fact that it was resolved so quickly?
Well, yes, I do. However, you know, just in the sort of chaotic environment that we have in so many areas right now, for me, it was a little bit prickly because it's just another indication of how easily things can unravel. So obviously, we come to count on the prints that we see as real, and it is resolved, and we can just sort of move on. But it does definitely bring to question how vulnerable we are in so many areas vis-a-vis the stock market.
It's interesting you bring that up because so many people talk about the rise of algorithmic trading, where they're reacting in fractions of a second, and if there was a program set up to detect, you know, these kind of extreme moves, it could have prompted a cascading effect.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you know, listen, we're in an environment right now where the big story this week was ChatGPT, right? So, you know, AI is definitely something that has major pluses and major negatives. And as we enter more into a digital age, we're certainly going to see that come to pass.